In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email subscription types in HubSpot. Subscription types let your contacts choose exactly what kinds of emails they want to receive, which helps you stay compliant with email regulations and improves engagement. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to create a clear, subscriber-friendly option that appears on your email preference page. Start by signing in to your HubSpot account and heading to your main dashboard. From here, open settings by clicking the gear icon in the top navigation. If you don't see it, make sure you have the right permissions to manage email settings. On the settings screen, look to the left sidebar. Find the marketing section, then select email. This is where you configure things like branding, tracking, footers, and the list of subscription types your contacts can opt into. Inside the email settings, open the tab labeled Subscription Types. This page shows every subscription category that will appear on your public preferences page. It's a good idea to keep this list concise and clear so subscribers immediately understand what they're choosing. Now create a new one. Click Create Subscription Type. A panel will open asking for the details. Give your subscription a clear subscriber-facing name, like monthly newsletter or product updates. Avoid internal jargon. Use plain language that sets the right expectation. Add a brief description that explains what content you'll send and how often. For example, a monthly roundup of tips, tutorials, and company news. Keep it honest and specific. Don't promise weekly content if you're not sure you can deliver it. If there's a place for internal notes or an internal name, use it to help your team understand when to use this type. Consistent naming conventions make reporting and automation much easier later on. If you see options related to visibility or status, ensure the subscription is active and set to appear on the preferences page so contacts can opt in or out themselves. When everything looks good, click Create. Your new subscription type will appear in the list. From here, you can return later to edit the name or description if your content strategy changes. As a best practice, create separate types for distinct content streams, such as newsletters, event invitations, and product announcements, so subscribers can tailor their experience. That's it. You've added a clean, compliant subscription choice that sets clear expectations and supports better deliverability. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit these settings anytime as your email program evolves.